Appropriate diet. High-quality food. Give your female goldfish a food high in important nutrients and proteins. Good pellets and live or frozen feeds like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia are great options. These meals enhance general health and aid in egg development. Conditioning. To condition the female, increase the frequency of feeding to 3 to 4 times a day with little amounts about a month before breeding. This facilitates the development of eggs. Temperature control. Increase in temperature gradually. Bring the tank's water temperature up to a range of 68 to 74 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 23 degrees Celsius. This mimics the circumstances that goldfish normally reproduce in the spring. Over the course of a week or two, you may gradually raise the temperature from where it is now. To emulate natural seasonal fluctuations, let the temperature to droop a little at night. This may encourage procreation. Tank configuration. Spawning tank. Fill a different tank with fresh, well-filtered water in preparation for spawning. A spawning mop, plants, or other materials should be present in the tank so that the female may deposit her eggs. Water quality should be maintained at an optimal level with routine water changes. Maintaining appropriate levels of ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate is important because low water quality can stress fish and cause them to lay fewer eggs. Lighting. To replicate the natural daylight hours, provide a steady light cycle of 12 to 14 hours every day. Assigning a male partner. Introduce a male. Add a mature, healthy male goldfish to the female's aquarium. The female may be encouraged to create and release eggs by the male's actions and presence. Observation. An indication of breeding is when the male begins pursuing the female. In order to get the female to produce eggs, the male will prod her abdomen. Stress reduction. Reduce stress. Maintain a serene and tranquil atmosphere in the tank. Steer clear of loud sounds, abrupt changes in water temperature, and needless fish handling since they might stress fish out and reduce their ability to lay eggs. Emerging causes. Some breeders recommend adding a tiny quantity of fresh water every day or doing partial water changes with slightly colder water to simulate rain. This can imitate the circumstances that frequently lead to spawning in the wild. Consistency and patience. Frequent monitoring. Keep an eye on the health, behavior, and water quality of the fish. Be patient since the female may take some time to lay eggs, particularly if it's her first time. After spawn care. Egg collection. To ensure that your female goldfish lay more eggs and have a successful breeding cycle, remove the adults from the spawning tank as soon as the eggs are laid to keep them from consuming the eggs.